In this video, we're going to fix a common Windows error. It's called Error 1067, and it usually says that the process terminated unexpectedly. This often happens when you're trying to start a Windows service. Let's go through each step slowly so you can follow along and fix it on your own computer. First, go down to the search box in the bottom left of your screen. Click on it and type the word Services. You should see something at the top that just says Services. Click on it to open the Services window. Once the Services window opens, you'll see a long list of services. These are programs that run in the background of Windows. Now, what you want to do is scroll through this list and find the service that gave you the error. It could be any service depending on your situation. When you find the correct one, double-click on it. A new window will pop up. In this window, you'll see something that says Startup Type. Make sure it is set to Automatic. If it says Disabled or Manual, click the drop-down menu and change it to Automatic. Next, look a little below that. If the service is not running, the Start button will be clickable. Go ahead and click Start. If it's already running, you can leave it as it is. Now click Apply and then OK to save the changes. After that, go ahead and restart your computer and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, we'll try something else. We're going to run a few commands in Command Prompt to check and repair any damaged system files. Go back to the search bar again. This time type CMD. You'll see Command Prompt appear in the search results. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a pop-up asking for permission, click Yes. Once the Command Prompt window opens, we're going to run the first command. This command checks for corrupted system files. To enter it, write sfc/scannow and then press Enter on your keyboard. Now just wait. This can take a few minutes. It will scan your system files and automatically fix any problems it finds. You don't need to do anything during this process. Just be patient and let it finish. When that's done, you'll see a message saying whether it found any problems and whether it fixed them. If it says it repaired files successfully, that's a good sign. Next, we'll run another command. This one uses the DISM tool, which stands for Deployment Imaging Service and Management. This tool checks the system image and can repair problems that the SFC scan didn't fix. Type the following command: DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. This one might also take a few minutes to complete. Let it run until it says it's finished. After that, you can close the Command Prompt window. Now go ahead and restart your computer again. Then try starting the service that gave you the error. Hopefully it works now. That's it. We've gone through the most common solutions to fix Error 1067. Thanks for watching.